just come together, but this is very hard and stiff. We need some more water. Now this is better. That was 2 tablespoons of water, and this is getting sticky now. You can see it glisten. And it's gonna get another tablespoon of water. Let's just put that in like that. There you go. This is getting good. This is very soft and pliable now. It's really squishy. And so it stretches pretty nicely. It just needs to go for a little longer. It will get a little smoother with a little bit more kneading. That's going to be really smooth now. It just feels great. It's so bouncy and smooth now. It's sticky to the touch, but just barely. It could have more water, but this is going to be great. All right, just a little bit of oil in the bottom. Pull the dough out. Ah, this dough is beautiful. It's got a real sheen to it. So I get a little smooth place, get the bowl oiled, and then just flip it over it. Ready to proof.